Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Outlook and Excel versions so the export will open correctly. Once done, pick the exact folder you need, inbox for messages or contacts for addresses. Open File, choose Open and Export, then Import/Export. This kicks off the process. Select Export to a file and choose Microsoft Excel or CSV, depending on fields you need. Make sure to map fields next, because that controls column order in Excel. This is the first actionable move to get data flowing. Now you focus on mapping fields. This is the complex middle step that shapes your spreadsheet. Choose CSV for universal use or XLSX for richer formatting. When the wizard shows fields, compare them to the Excel columns you want. Drag, add, or remove fields so dates, subjects, and addresses land correctly. Make sure to preview a few sample records. Then set the file name and save location. Export the file. If you expect large volumes, export in batches to avoid timeouts. Finish by opening the file in Excel and verifying headers, date formats, and character encoding so nothing is misaligned. Once open, use text to columns or Power Query to normalize delimiters, split fields, and remove stray line breaks. Save a backup copy. If something goes wrong, re-export a small sample to isolate the issue, and make sure you have read permissions for the Outlook folder. If needed, restart Outlook and try again. Often a permissions or encoding tweak fixes remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.